Hi and welcome to Sep and Shelley's DIY. Today we're going to build this catapult that Mr. Sep's now going to show you how to use. Here's the plan of everything you need. If you take a screenshot of them all, then you've got that for future reference when you start making it. We're now going to drill the holes in the wood. These are the top two woods. We're going to mark the 4 holes out on it, then drill through them. What we have to be careful with is with the other pieces of wood, these here, they've got red holes in them, or red holes that we've marked red. They are a little bit bigger than the other ones, so Mr. Sep's going to use a felt tip pen and mark them red so we don't get confused. As you can see, all the pieces are finished now. You have to remember to drill the hole then in the middle of the wood. The only piece where you have to be careful of is this piece here. This one has a red hole, and this hole will be drilled in just 3 millimeters in, not in the middle, 3 millimeters up. Plus, if you turn it on the side here, we have to drill a hole in the middle as well. So 1 hole here, 1 hole here, and the side 9 millimeters in, a hole in the middle of here.
Mr. Ticker.
We're now going to make the trigger. This is this bit here. This hole here is this hole here on this piece of wood. We're going to cut this out with a saw. We're going to mark it, saw it out, and once that is done, then we're going to mark here and here, as you can see on the plan, like a triangle that forms then this bit over here. And when we finish doing that, we're then going to sand everything around all the holes and all the corners so everything's nice and smooth. Here are the second smallest pieces of wood here, the ones with the red holes. Now these 2 pieces of wood we're going to saw in the middle. These are for the feet. So now we're ready to build our catapult. We've got everything into position so you can see exactly what we take away and put together first. And I'm sure you'll be able to follow our steps. In the description down below is everything written in there what you need to build this project. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just before you go I'm just going to shoot the ball at Mr. Sepp, who's behind the camera. Go on. Nearly. Ta-ra, till next time. And in case anybody is wondering why we got the holes in the feet on the bottom of the catapult, they're so that you can attach 4 wheels to it with the doweling, and we're just going to show you that at the end.